Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce pollution in Industrialist Roblox. To begin, understand that pollution is generated by many industrial buildings. Start by placing basic pollution filters on your initial factories. Prioritize using solar panels or wind turbines for power, as they produce zero emissions, unlike coal generators which are highly polluting. This early planning can save you significant cleanup costs later on. Next, deploy advanced pollution control buildings. Construct several air scrubbers near your smelters and chemical plants. These can reduce air pollution by up to 75%. For water-intensive operations, build water treatment facilities to process effluent before it's released, preventing widespread water contamination. Don't forget to place multiple air purifiers in densely built areas to maintain air quality. An efficient factory layout is crucial. Design compact production lines to minimize the distance resources travel, reducing energy consumption and associated emissions. Optimize your supply chains to prevent bottlenecks and wasted production, which often leads to increased pollution. Invest in research to unlock cleaner technologies, such as more efficient furnaces or less polluting chemical processes, improving your overall environmental footprint. Finally, embrace sustainable practices for long-term success. Implement recycling programs for materials like steel and plastic, significantly cutting down on raw resource extraction and waste. Regularly monitor your pollution levels using the in-game overlay to identify hotspots. Continuously upgrade older, less efficient machinery with newer models that boast improved pollution reduction, ensuring your industrial empire remains both productive and environmentally responsible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.